There she goes. Look at that beast swim off. Well, y'all, next day at the pond, and, well, first couple casts, probably about 5th cast. Could not get anything on the fluke, but I seen quite a few bass. They'll just swim because this water's crystal clear. Cast out the old Yata motor crawler, and got them. Turn them loose. See if we can get another one. Alrighty, also I just seen like a 1/4 pounder bass, and then sure enough, cast it in there 2 casts later, and then I seen 2 bass come up and try hitting it, and they were both about this size. That's probably about a 2 pounder. Nice little one. Anyways, we're gonna go hop on the quad real quick, go transform back to the other part of the lake, and hopefully come back here and catch another one. One more look at this beautiful little 2-pound bass. There she goes. Let's go get another one. Alrighty, also I just made 2 casts here. I caught like maybe a 1/4 pounder bass. Next cast, caught this decent little guy right here though. As y'all can see, not a bad little bass. Release him. There he goes. Alrighty, also I didn't get this one on camera, but I just seen about a 5-pounder cast in there. That 5-pounder was chasing it, and this little one just came up and stole it from it, but still kept him. Gonna put him in this other spot real quick now. Here you go, buddy. Come on. There he goes. Guys, I just put that fish in the lake back there, came back here. Second cast. First cast, stupid bluegill grabbed my curl, but this might be my new PB. Dude, that is a tank. It's probably 3.5. I don't know. Maybe bigger. Alrighty, also, I had to show you guys this bass one more time. I think she broke my PB again. It's kind of weird. It's June something, and she's about to spawn, which is really weird. But yeah, here she is. She's a really nice bass. Anyways, guys, we're gonna throw her in this lake behind us right here. She's probably about 3.25. So what I'm guessing is probably 3.25. The one I got yesterday was probably 3. I don't know. This might be 3.5. I don't know. Here in Michigan, though, I've not really ever caught any big bass. I caught a 3-pounder right here in front of us, and then the pond over there, I got that big 3-something yesterday. And at the river, I caught another 3.5. And then this big girl today. Here in Michigan, though, we don't seem to have really any big weights. It's just more numbers of bass. We have tons of bass here. So I caught 20 now in the last 2 days. 40 the other day. Make sure she's nice and healthy. We're gonna let her go right here. I got one more picture of her. Just one last look at this beast of a fish. That is sweet. One more look at her. She's an absolute pig. It's kind of cool. I broke my PB in the last 2 days. I do believe. Anyways, we're going to let her go right here. There she goes. Look at that beast swim off. Right on down to the depths. With my other PB in here, I got 3 PBs in the same exact spot. Let's go put another PB in here, hopefully.